A very good morning to all my dear children. In today's EVS class, we are going to revise lesson number 11, Our Earth. We are going to revise lesson number 11, Our Earth. So, we finished this lesson, right? So, now we are going to revise the lesson, Our Earth. Now tell me, where do we live? Where do we live? We live on Earth. We live on the Earth. Where do we live? We live on the Earth. It is our home. Correct? We live on the Earth. What is the shape of the Earth? So we live on the Earth. You all know we live on the Earth. Now tell me, what is the shape of the Earth? What shape it is? Just look at the picture and tell me what is the shape of the Earth. Just tell me what is the shape of the Earth. It looks like an orange. It looks like an orange. So it is round, but it is not fully round, and it is slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. It looks like an orange. So it is round and slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. Just see this picture. It is not fully round, and it is slightly flat at the top and the bottom. So we live on the planet Earth. It is the third planet. It is the third planet from the solar system. So on the day we discussed about solar system, isn't it? So it is the third planet from the solar system. So life is possible only on the Earth. Life is possible only on the planet Earth. So as we get air, water, so life is possible only on the planet Earth. So what is the shape of the Earth? It looks like an orange, round and slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. So we live on Earth. What is Earth covered with? So we live on Earth. What is Earth is covered with? Earth is covered with land, water and air. Earth is covered with land, water and air. Mostly Earth is covered with water only. So three sides it will be water, only one side will have a land. So Earth is covered with land. So 3/4 of Earth is covered with water, remaining it is covered with land. So Earth is covered with land, water and air. So now we'll see land. So we have different types of land. Right? We have different types of land. What are the different types of land? Plain, hill or a mountain, desert. What are the different types of land? Plain, hill or a mountain, desert. So these are the different types of land. So now we'll see what is plain. What are plains? A large area of flat land is called a plain. A large area of flat land is called a plain. Look at this picture. Large area, how the land is? It is flat, right? It is flat. So a large area of flat land is called a plain. So crops grow well on the plains. What grows here? Crops. Some crops grows on the plains. What are plains? A large area of flat land is called a plain. Crops grow well on the plains. And next we'll move on to the mountain. I think, have you all seen a mountain? Yes. How it will be? It will be whether it will be flat? No, it will be little high, right? So very high land is called a hill or a mountain. Just see this picture. So how it is? It is like a highland, right? So very high land is called a hill or a mountain. Some crops. What are the crops that grow well on these mountains? Tea and coffee. So some crops like tea and coffee grow well in the hilly areas. So crops like tea and coffee grow well in the hilly areas. So now tell me, where do we live? We live on Earth. What is the shape of the Earth? It is round and slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. It looks like an orange. And we saw about the different types of the earth is covered with land, water and air. Isn't it? The earth is covered with land, water and air. And we have different types of land: plain, hill or a mountain, desert. So we saw about plain and mountain. Now we'll see about desert. Have you seen desert? How it will be? So it's be large area of land that is covered mostly with sand. You can see this picture. It is covered with sand. Just see the sand. So in deserts, there will be only less rainfall and very small plants only grow here. So what are deserts? A large area of land that has very little water and where very few plants grow are called a desert. Only few plants like cactus will grow here, and it is mostly covered with sand. Many deserts are covered with sand. You can see the picture. Many deserts are covered with sand. Now we saw different types of land, right? Now we'll move on to water. A large part of the earth is covered with water. As we discussed earlier, a large part of earth is covered with water. Where can you see water? Now tell me where you have seen water. Yes, we have seen in oceans, lakes. There is water in oceans, lakes, rivers and ponds, right? So large part of the earth is covered with water. There is water in the oceans, lakes, rivers and ponds. Next, just see this picture. Oceans, lake and rivers. So in all these places we can see water. Now, what are the uses of water? For which purpose we use water? Yes, we need water to drinking purpose. Mainly we need water to drink, isn't it? Without water can we stay? It is very difficult, right? So we need water to drink, then cook our food. So for cooking purpose we use water, right? So for drink we need water to drink, cook our food, wash our clothes. Wash our clothes. How will you wash your clothes? With water, isn't it? So how your mother will wash your clothes? With water. So wash our clothes and keep ourselves clean. How will you take bath daily? So with water, isn't it? So keep ourselves clean. We need water to drink, cook our food, wash our clothes and keep ourselves clean. We should use water carefully. We should not waste water and should not throw garbage and other waste into the rivers and seas. So what we should not do? We should not waste water, and one more thing, we should not throw the garbage and other waste materials into the rivers and seas. So it makes the water dirty, isn't it? So we should not do that mistake. So we should use water carefully. While using the water, we should use carefully. Don't waste water. It may and we should not throw the garbage into the seas and oceans. It makes the water dirty. So next, air. Next we'll move on to air. What we breathe in? We breathe in air, right? So can we see air? Now we are breathing air. Can you see it? Yes. Can you see it? No, we cannot see air. You can only feel it. So we cannot see air. We can only feel it, right? Now living things cannot live without air. Can we live without air? No, we cannot live without air. So what we breathe in? We breathe in air and we cannot see air. We can only feel it. Living things cannot live without air. So living things cannot. So we human beings and animals, so all needs air. So living things cannot live without air. We get everything that we need from the earth. So everything that we get, we need from where we get? From the earth, right? So what we should do? We should take care of it too. So we are getting everything from the earth, isn't it? So water, air, everything we are getting only from our earth. Can we get it from the other planets? No, we cannot stay in the other planets, right? So only on the earth we're getting air and water. So what we should do? We must take care of it too. And then we should not make the air and water dirty. What we should not do? We should not make the air and water dirty. And we must not cut the trees. We must not cut the trees or harm animals. We should not harm the animals also. So we must not cut trees or harm animals. So what is the earth is covered with? Earth is covered with air, water, land, air and water. And we saw the different types of land and water. Where can you find water? In oceans, seas, rivers and lakes, isn't ponds. And what for the water is used for? We need water to drink, cook our food, then wash our clothes and keep ourselves clean, right? And we should not throw the garbage into the seas and oceans. And air, so we breathe in air. We cannot see air, we can only feel it. We should not make the air and water dirty. So only on the planet Earth life is possible. So we should take care of our Earth. It is our duty to take care of our Earth. We should not make the air and water dirty, and we must not cut trees or harm animals. So you will not do, right? So we must not cut trees. So we should plant more trees. We should plant more saplings, and we should not harm animals too. Okay, children? So that's all for today's class. Revise well the lesson. Read the entire lesson. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.